I can do a slick back bun any day and be fine, go out, run my errands. But girl, when I give me some hair, I just feel like that girl. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Crescent. If you're new here, hi or welcome. Today we're going to be doing a get ready with me. Really quick, I wanted to go ahead and do my makeup. I don't have a lot to do. I kind of just did like the foundation of my everyday face. I don't have like a set routine. Sometimes I do my hair first, but sometimes I do my makeup. Today I wanted to go ahead and do my makeup. I really feel like it could be a debate for some people, but let me know down in the comments if you do your makeup first or if you do your hair first. And since I decided to go ahead and do my makeup, we're going to go ahead and move straight into hair. And really quick, I wanted to kind of let you girls know I will be using some hair from Amazing Beauty today. They were kind enough to gift me with this. So these are their 22-inch clip-in extensions. I have mine in the number 1. When you order from Amazing Hair, they send you your hair extensions. You get 2 of the claw clips, which I've worked with them before, so I have a whole bunch of these. I love them whenever I'm doing my hair, or if I curl my hair, I can use them to kind of hold the curl in place. And you also get a comb they send you. And then also, since I have clip-ins, they sent me 2 extra little clip-ins that I can use. So these are their 22-inch clip-in extensions right here. And there we go. The hair is very, very thick and full, as you girls can see. So I have 3 3-pieces, 1 4-piece, 2 2-pieces, or 1-piece. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and open up the comb that they gave me. I really want to do a bone straight look. And then I have another look I'm gonna do probably in a different video. But with that being said, we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna use my big mirror in the back. So if you girls see me using that, that's what I'm looking at here. And I'm gonna leave this piece out. What I'm gonna do is part like slightly above that. So really like right below where the ear starts. And my parts aren't gonna be perfect, girls, because I'm just kind of putting these in really quick. So I'm gonna go in with the 2-piece instead of the 3-piece first. All right, so I'm gonna part again above that section. All right, I'm gonna go in with the 3-piece now. I'm so used to doing my hair in the bathroom, but I didn't want to do it in the bathroom because when you turn the light on, the fan goes on in the bathroom and y'all wouldn't be able to hear me. So like I said, it's hard to see where the ear is at, so you guys can see. I'm gonna go ahead and use the 4-piece.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else true. Nobody else makes you. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're right around the love, right around the trust, right around the dick, right around the slap me up. I think I'm throwing a fit. Right around the world, play.
right, so this hair came with a slight like curl on the end, so I just straightened that out because I just wanted, you know, jet black, bone straight hair. So this is how it looks. I left the front out, just kind of did like a, I didn't do a middle part, I thought I was going to, but I just did kind of like a slight side part. So this is how the hair looks. Love the hair. It's a good texture. Also, girls, I also did it so that if I want to put my hair up, I can, and that's purposely why. I'm just leave this piece out. You can curl this piece up front, you know, a cute little curl, and then also you have the hair up in the back too. Like if you're gonna do a high pony, or I just feel like, I don't know, I just feel different when I get my extensions in. Like I can do a slick back bun any day and be fine, go out, run my errands, but girl, when I get me some hair, I just feel like that girl. So this is the final result for my hair from Amazing Beauty. These are the 22-inch clip-ins, #1 jet black. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will have everything down as far as details down in the description bar, as far as the hair, the links, and everything for you guys. Don't forget to follow me on my other social medias at Crescent White, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.